Welcome back. This is an Aleks training video on identifying combination, decomposition, single, and double displacement reactions. A combination reaction is when two reactants come together to make something bigger as a product. Okay, so if you were to have something like A plus B yields C. So two things are coming together to make something. That's a combination. It's combining to make something. So this is combination. Decomposition is backwards. It's breaking apart something. So if you were to have A breaking apart into B plus C, where you have two products but one reactant, okay, that's decomposition. It's decomposing. A single displacement is when one element is kicking out another and joining it in a compound. So if you were to have A plus, say, BC, where you have a cation and an anion together, BC, then the A is going to kick out B. And you'll end up with AC plus B. I don't know if that makes sense. This is one person kicking out another person. Okay, so this one, somebody stealing somebody else's girlfriend or whatever. Okay, I guess this is the boyfriend because it's a B. But this is going to be single displacement. And then double displacement is where you have two sets of compounds where you have a cation anion, where it's a binary compound, AB plus CD. And they switch. So the cation switches, or the anions switch, so switching partners. Okay, so this would be A is going to, see, here's your positives, here's your negatives. So A is now going to combine with D. And then C, which is your other cation, is going to combine with B. This is a double displacement. All right, so they're going to give you three and ask, what do you see? And that can be, these are all random, so who knows what they are. So the first one I see is I've got one guy and two guys, okay? And then the one becomes part of this compound, and then I end up having zinc by itself. So what do you think? It's not combining, it's not decomposing. There isn't two sets of doubles. It's a single and a double, and the single is embedded in the compound with one that used to be in it released. So this is a single displacement. Okay. What about this guy? We have lithium and hydrochloric acid, so we have an HCl. And then you end up with lithium chloride. Ah, this is the same thing, right? Lithium is coming in and kicking out the hydrogen, and hydrogen gas being released. So this is also single. That's easy. What about this? I've got silver nitrate, potassium bromide, yielding potassium nitrate and silver bromide. Ah, so these two are switching places. So the silver is combining with the bromine, and the potassium is combining with the nitrate. This is a double displacement. That was an easy video.